channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami parrot. So, the materials we are going to be needing is a square piece of paper and a ball pen. So, the first step is we're just going to fold this in half so it creates a triangle. Then the next step is we're just gonna open this, and this edge we're gonna fold to this line that we created in the middle. So it should look something like this. Here. This is what it should look like. We're just going to do the same thing to the other side. So basically just fold this edge towards the center. And this is what it should look like. So next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to fold this whole thing back. So it should look like this in the front and like this in the back. So next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling this edge towards the middle, this middle line. So it should look like this. We're just going to do the same thing to the other side. Fold this edge toward the middle. So, just going to fold it toward the middle, like that. Next thing we're going to be doing, and this is the tricky part, is we're just going to open this, right? And if you can see, there's this crease here that we made. We're going to turn it inside out. So we're going to go like this. And we're going to fold this crease here. And then we're going to just press it down. I'm going to just do that again so it all makes sense really for everyone. So, what we're going to be doing is we're gonna pull this out, and there should be like a crease here. And what you're gonna do is it's folded like this, and you're gonna fold it the other way, and then after that you're just gonna press down. And we're gonna do the same to the other side. We're gonna open this, and then there should be this line here, and we're gonna fold it the other way. And then just push it down. So this is what it should look like in the front, and this is what it should look like in the back. So next thing we're going to be doing is there should be like a line here on both sides, like right here. And we're just gonna fold this up to that line. So kind of like that. So there's a line here and we just folded it up to the line. And we're just gonna do the same with the other side. Just fold this up to this line. So this is what it should look like. Now we are going to make the tail. So to make the tail, we're gonna fold this all the way up to this middle part. I'm gonna fold this tip all the way up to the middle part. So it should look something like that. And now we are going to fold this back down, but instead of folding it all the way back down like this, we are going to leave a little bit of space here so it looks like this. Now we're just gonna fold this in half so that this is inside. So this is what it should look like. Now that we made the bird's body, we're gonna make its face. So we're gonna open it a little bit and then we're gonna push this in. And once you push that in, you're just gonna fold it. So it should look like that. And now that's the bird's face here, the parrot's face. And now what we are going to do is we're just going to take our ball pen and we're going to draw an eye right there and on both sides. So now we've got our origami parrot. If you want to design more, you can. I just decided to do a simple design. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out our channel to see more videos. Bye!